All right, one more time. Exams, we start review this week. We'll review all this week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, next week. And then you take your exam on Friday. You have to be in the building to take your exam. Does everybody understand that? I don't know where you're going to be or anything like that. We have training on Wednesday, so hopefully I'll be able to tell you where you're going to be, even though like I'll email you or so. I don't know. I'll let you know. Um, but the next thing that I need to know dealing with exams is I don't know if you guys remember doing it or not. I don't know if y'all were have been here while we did this. So you can come to an exam review. So like if you have a first period on campus, okay, that's the key. You have to have a first period on campus exam and you need to stay or you want to stay for an exam review for our class. You may do that, okay? That is only if you are on campus. Does that make sense? You can't come onto campus if you're not supposed to be here. So if you have a first period, teacher made, you're at home, there is no review after unless you guys set up a time with me. So in the chat, if you guys don't mind, in the chat, would you please let me know if you're going to come to that review or not? Same thing here. Are any of you guys going to come to that review? Do you have like it'll be Thursday afternoon, like after you take your Thursday exam? Any of you? No, like you have to pre-sign up. So if you don't sign up, you don't you see what I'm saying? It's not me. It's just I got to make sure that y'all are good. Nobody else. Nobody in here. No, but I can Zoom with you, and that's fine. You just cannot be in the building if you're not here. Does that make sense? That's not meaning I'm not going to Zoom. Okay, unless I find otherwise. Like if y'all want to Zoom the day before the exam, that's perfectly fine. I cannot do it the day of, but I think I can do it the day before, and I think I can do it on Zoom. But like I said, we have training on Wednesday, and I'll ask that question just to make sure, and I'll let you guys know. Yeah, but if somebody wants to be in here, I can teach them. I just need to know how many people are going to be here. As long as you don't ride a bus. If you ride a bus, then you gotta stay. But yes, you would leave right after that.
Miss Charles, I have a question.
Yes.
Are there going to be makeup days for the exams?
I can't answer that. You need to be here. That's all I can tell. I don't, y'all, honest to God, like I don't know. Okay. I think the only makeup that they would give is if you're quarantined and you cannot come in the building, if that makes sense. I don't know. So if you have something else, like I would ask Miss Gallimore or Miss Hoover if you know what I'm saying. Like I can't answer it. I don't know yet. And hopefully after Wednesday I can answer more questions. But we haven't gotten a lot other than like days and times. That's all we've gotten. Like I don't even know what room you're going to be in. If you're going to be in this room or like I don't know. Okay, so hopefully um, we'll get that squared away on Wednesday. Do y'all have any other questions about that? All right, so this is how this week is going to go. Today, I haven't opened it up yet, but I am going to open it up. I have a released version of the exam from last year. Yeah, I really think it's one of the easiest exams I've ever seen in my life. You may not think that, but once you review, you're going to be like, oh, yeah, I got that. Remember, you can use your calculator the whole time. Okay, don't stress out because you can use your calculator the whole time. What I do not want you doing when you do this released version, I split it in half. So you'll do half today and then we'll go over it. And then you'll do half another day and we'll go over it. So you guys will see what it says. I really want you to try like it is your exam, like you're sitting in the exam room and you're taking the exam. Please don't use photo math. Please don't use each other. Does that make sense? It is going to be basically a participation grade. That doesn't mean go through and just click answers so you can be done with it. I need to know what you know. If we have 100% accuracy on a question, I'm going to go over it, but I don't need to spend a lot of time on it. Does that make sense? And we'll move on. If it's something like none of you know, then I know I need to reteach this and go over it. So you have to be honest on this exam and you have to work hard. Okay? Does that make sense? So that's all I really wanted to tell you is just please, please, please try. Okay?
Miss Jones, I got a question.
Question away.
For our calculators, can we bring our own calculators, or we have to use
Yeah,
the school calculators?
I'm pretty sure, like I said, I'll ask that question. I'm pretty sure we've always been able to bring our own, that you should be able to bring your own, but they'll have to clear it when you come. Is that good? And again, I'll find out on Wednesday and make sure. Those are questions that I'll ask. Okay. So
Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. I'm gonna go in just a second and open that up. And again, just try really, really hard on it. Don't freak out if you get like a 4. It's okay. It's not going in as a 4 in the grade book. Does that make sense? So I don't want you to worry about what your grade is going to be. I want you to worry about those questions and try to get them. And they're pretty much multiple choice. I think there may be some that you type in, but they're really easy. Okay. All right. So we started with the easy ones, so it should be fairly easy today. Once you're done, you're good to go. Make sure that if you're finished, like you finish everything a little bit early and you still have some time, go back and do some makeup work. Y'all, we're at the end. Like you just heard it. We are done next week. I can't fix it after that. Okay. Your last day to turn in work for me is going to be uh, probably Monday. I'll give you the weekend to finish up just to look back. And I'll open everything back up. I haven't done it yet, but I will open it back up. I just want you to focus on this today. Okay? Everybody good? All right, Zoomers, you're good to go.